Installing a power module board. Connect the cables between the power module board and the power input board. Attention! For a smooth installation, connect the cables between the power module board and power input board module before installing the power module board. To install the power module board and the cable wall, align the power module board with the guide pins and then place the power module board into place and fasten the 2 screws by the side wall of the node. Place the cable wall into its position on the power module board and then fasten the 2 screws. Important: make sure to place the pull tape of the power module board beneath the cable wall away from the DIMM slots, otherwise it might interfere with the memory modules and cause system failure. To install a drive cage, align the drive cage with the node. Install the drive cage. Fasten the 4 screws. Reconnect all the cables to the drive backplanes. Properly route and secure the cables in the node. Install the top cover onto the node.